Good evening, guys. Bill McMillan here. About 9:45 Wednesday evening as we record this video, and we notice a line of strong and at times severe thunderstorms off to our northwest this evening. Those are moving to the southeast, and as we look at the forecast radar, we expect that line of thunderstorms to enter into the city itself somewhere between 11 p.m. and midnight, likely in a weakened state from where they are currently. And as that line continues to progress off to the southeast, it will weaken before exiting the state somewhere between 2 and 3 o'clock early Thursday morning. That kind of sets the stage for what we can expect on Thursday to be more of a brighter day overall, more in the way of sunshine and a warm day as well. Temperatures that will likely go into the low 80s on Thursday with mostly dry conditions with increasing humidity and unseasonably warm conditions. We can't rule out the potential of a widely scattered thunderstorm on Friday and Saturday. However, I think greater concentration, more widespread activity will await Saturday during the second half of Saturday into Saturday night into Sunday. This cold front here will meander around the Ohio Valley as we go through the weekend. That's going to present a challenge just to pinpoint exactly when and where the most widespread shower and thunderstorm activity can be expected this weekend. I think the majority of the upcoming weekend will remain rain-free. It's not until we get into the day on Sunday where I think overall coverage of showers and potentially thunderstorms will become more widespread. The big story, guys, as we look at temperatures here to close the work week will be just a summer-like feel, going into the mid-80s across central Indiana to close the work week on Friday. And if we were to look at surface dew points, notice that dew point temperatures are expected to go into the low and mid-60s. So a muggy feel expected to wrap up the work week on Friday. But as mentioned, this frontal boundary, as it continues to kind of sink south, will separate that summer feel from an unseasonably cool air mass across the Great Lakes region. In between, that battle zone sets up, and look for periods of heavy rain. I think greatest concentration right now of the heaviest rain can be expected across the northern portion of Indiana, with more scattered activity across central portions of the state. But we'll keep an eye on it and fine-tune the forecast as we move forward. Putting this into motion, though, will show a rather kind of unsettled pattern here as we wrap up the weekend and head into early portions of next week, with shower and thunderstorm activity remaining. And that kind of sets the stage for what I think, looking longer term, will be more of an active pattern, a wetter pattern as we go through the second half of May. Should also be noted, though, a warmer than average pattern should continue as well. Guys, again, before we wrap up, we're continuing to watch this line of thunderstorms enter the state off to our northwest. Estimated time of arrival somewhere between 11 o'clock and midnight in a weakened state into the city. We'll talk with you soon on IndyWX.com.